Unlock the secret. Keep a steady hand, explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Keep a steady hand. This expression is rich in meaning and usage, and understanding it can not only enhance your English skills but also empower you to use it confidently in your daily conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind "keep a steady hand." Keep a steady hand is a metaphorical expression used to advise someone to remain calm, controlled, and stable, especially in difficult situations or when performing tasks that require precision and care. The phrase can be applied in various contexts, ranging from emotional stability to physical steadiness. It emphasizes the importance of not letting your emotions or external factors disturb your focus or balance. To fully grasp the meaning, let's break down the components of the phrase. Keep. In this context, keep means to maintain or continue in a specified state or condition. Steady. Steady refers to being stable, balanced, and not shaking or moving. Hand. Although hand literally refers to the body part, in this expression, it symbolizes control or action. When combined, these words encourage maintaining control or stability through challenges or precise tasks. 1. In emotional contexts, telling someone to keep a steady hand when they're facing personal difficulties suggests staying calm and not letting emotions cloud judgment. 2. In professional settings, in a job that requires careful attention to detail, like surgery or artwork, advising to keep a steady hand means to remain focused and precise. 3. In leadership, for leaders, keeping a steady hand implies guiding a team through challenges with calmness and assurance, ensuring stability and confidence within the team. To offer support, use it when you want to encourage someone facing a tough situation. To give advice, when someone needs guidance on maintaining focus and calm in tasks or decisions. To compliment, after someone has navigated a challenging situation well, acknowledge their steadiness and control. Keep a steady hand is more than just a saying, it's a valuable piece of advice for life's many challenges. Whether you're facing personal struggles, requiring precision in your profession, or leading others, remembering to keep a steady hand can guide you towards success and stability. We hope this exploration has been enlightening, and you feel more confident in using this expression. Keep practicing, and let your learning journey continue with a steady hand. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you unlock more secrets of the English language in our upcoming videos.